Hi, I'm Krista West, the owner and designer of Avlea Folk Embroidery. And in this video, I'm going to talk about which of our cushion back kits fabrics work with which of the traditional folk embroidery fabrics. One of the things that I love the most about folk embroidery is that you can use it to make practical stuff for your house. And one of the things that has been really popular to make are cushions, because who doesn't want a cozy, wonderful folk embroidery cushion? So let's talk about which of our cushion back kits. So when I originally started offering cushion back kits, I really didn't think anybody was going to be that interested. But it was sort of my own blind spot because I've always owned a sewing machine, since I was 18 years old. Since I was 8 years old. And so I feel, I was thinking that everyone had a sewing machine, and I quickly realized that not everyone has sewing machines. So we started making these envelope style cushion back kits. What the kit is it's two pieces of fabric sewn together like this. They are hemmed on each side. The other one in here is hemmed. And then they are overlapped at the top, and they are basted, so that all you have to do is take that cushion back kit and just sew it to your embroidery all around the perimeter, turn it inside out, and voila, you have a cushion. But you might be wondering which of the cushion back fabrics, the kit fabrics, work best with which folk embroidery fabrics. So let's talk about that. For the traditional ground cloth fabric, we recommend either the Kona cotton, which is really nice warm cotton, or the new Essex cotton linen in the color that's listed as natural. Those are great for traditional ground cloth. For any of the white fabrics or even the off-white fabrics, this would be the Mikanee in the white or ivory in either the 26 count or the 30 count. We recommend the color that is listed as linen. This is a really frustrating color name because the fabric is Essex cotton linen and the color name is also linen, so it's a little confusing. This is good if you are working on one of the slightly warmer fabrics like an ivory. Then we have another color called ivory. That's also good. These are very close colors though. If you want to do something contrasting, this is the Nacero sleeves design. And on this one, I wanted to pull out that blue in the stitching. We also have a color called Dusty Blue. And this can be really great if you have a design that has the 924 DMC floss gray green medium. This Dusty Blue is great for that. If you are looking, and additionally, in the Essex line, we also have the Bordeaux fabric. This is a very rich, warm burgundy. So this is great with any of the red and burgundy tone fabrics if you're looking for a more high contrast cushion back kit, or if you're doing inset cushion work. If you're actually doing a small design and then putting a border of fabric around it, this is a great fabric for showing off designs that way. Last, but certainly not least, is the Radiance Gold silk cotton. Now, the one thing I will say about this fabric is it is a little looser and softer than the linen fabrics, so you won't get quite as tight of a cushion back on it. It will have a little bit more room. It's just because its silk is softer. It has a little bit more bias in it. But this is a 50% cotton, 50% silk fabric. We carry it in the gold color. It goes wonderfully with our Santorini Stars kit. This has Appleton's Cruel Wool. So this color matches any kit that has any sort of gold or warm olive tones in it and is great for that. We also occasionally have additional print fabrics, and I will be adding those over time. We have a black diamond paisley, I think it's a little foulard design that's great for designs with black and red in them. We have a little bit left of the Aegean stripe fabrics. We sell that in a ivory and in a turquoise and in a navy blue. And I'm always looking to add like kind of new fun things. But in terms of the classic cushion back kits, the Essex linen fabrics and the Radiance silk and the Kona cotton are all great choices. Thank you.